Welcome to the Cvproof live demonstration. We have prepared in this database the information to generate 5 certificates. In step 1, from the Cvproof platform, we will upload this database. In step 2, the system will generate in real time the certificates. In step 3, the system will notarize the certificate using our blockchain technology. In step 4, the system will automatically deliver the certificates to the relevant recipient and administration as indicated in the database. Then we will be able to use the generated certificates. Let's save the database and start. From the Cvproof platform, let's select the test database to upload and start the process. It took only a few seconds to generate and process the 5 certificates. Here is the report. Now let's check if we have received in the expected mailbox, for instance, for this certificate. Here we are. So we have in the mailbox a new email. So that's the email sent by the platform directly to the recipient, GNCA, and with a link to download the certificate. Please note that in another scenario, the certificate could be directly attached in the email. So now let's download the certificate. Here is the certificate delivered to GNCA. It's a standard PDF, and the system has added a button and a QR code to access easily, directly to the authenticity and verification information in one click. Let's click on this button. We arrive directly to the certificate information page for verification. All the information provided here can be checked in the details. For the demonstration, we use professionals.aero digital ID to issue the certificates. And what we have here is a link to the KYC information used for creating their digital ID. We can have a quick look. Here, for instance, we have access to the document from the company house and used to create their digital ID. Let's back to the certificate information. Here is the timestamp when the platform e-notarized the certificate. We can have further information about the validation duration, what wasn't used in this demonstration. Here is the link to the backup system, meaning that we can have direct access and find the certificate original. Here is it. About verification and digital proof. For any presented document, we combine all the information and compute a global digital signature here. The technical audit for verifying the document authenticity will compare the digital proof with the similar signature sealed in the blockchain and obtained during the certificate issuance. Let me show it very quickly. Let's copy the digital proof we obtained here, and let's access the blockchain at exactly the timestamp position. Here we are, and then we can compare the signature and observe that they are equal in orange here. The conclusion is the presented certificate is authentic. Finally, we have a button allowing us to upload any other certificate for making exactly the same verification process. Let's back to the platform to show you the revoke certificate feature. Let's take the recipient Jane CA. She had actually she received two certificates. One for the dangerous goods, okay, and one for the cargo, okay. Let's check the dangerous goods and again ask for the verification. Yes, and we have the information that we saw previously. Let's back. And now let's imagine that for any reason we have to revoke this certificate. So the only thing that we have to do is to click this button. Okay, and now let's return to the certificate, dangerous goods for GNCA, and again request the verification. We require, and what we see that the revoke information is immediately displayed. Thank you very much for your interest and attention.